Rohr here with an early global view on Thursday, November 20th, 2014. It is currently exactly 7 a.m. U.S. Central Time, and there are major macro factors out of yesterday into today that are affecting the markets, and mostly the very weak global advanced PMIs this morning. And we need to ask what all this means to the markets. And so far, even though it's off $8 on the day, we're trading at about 2,038 in the S&P 500 future. So back down around yesterday's low that came in early before the market tried to recover. Now here is your FOMC minutes response, where the market ran up temporarily and then, after 1 o'clock, but then couldn't get back higher on the day from the previous day's close up here at 2048.60 and settled in slightly lower. But even being down there, we had noted that the heavier congestion support, recently generated congestion support at the new all-time highs, was between 40 and 36. So especially in light of what the Fed had to say on that, keeping an eye on the rest of the world, it'll be interesting to see how the U.S. data comes in, and if it's constructive at all, it might rescue the market. If it's weaker than expected, it wouldn't be unreasonable to consider that we might break 36, and while there is quite a bit of good support in the lower levels, starting around 30 and even into our mid to low 20s, much below 36, the market probably is showing it can stay weak into the later part of the week because there's not that much news tomorrow. And resistance, of course, will be back around the trading high and oscillator level into about 2055. And that pretty much does it for the short-term view of the S&P 500.